let's play hide and seek. The best hider will win a hamburger. Yes! I want to win the hamburger! Yes, let's play. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh no! I lose. I will be the seeker. All right, I start counting now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I will hide under the table in the kitchen.
I will hide in the bush in the garden. I will hide behind the sofa in the living room. I will hide in a secret place. I will win the hamburger. 9, 10. I am coming to find you. I am coming. Is anyone hiding in the living room? I hope Ben does not see me. Is anyone hiding in the kitchen? Ben cannot find me under this table. I think no one is here. Is anyone hiding in the garden? Oh no! Ben is here. I see something. Oh. Yeah! I found you, Alice. Oh no. You found me. I was almost safe. You are very fast.
Yes, awesome. I like this game. Who is next? Let's look.
Alice is found. One player is out. No one can find me. I will look near the storage room. The storage door is locked. No one can hide inside. Oh, I am so thirsty. I need to drink some water. I must stay calm. Ben must not see me.
The water is cool.
My legs are tired. I will sit and rest. Oh no, Ben is sitting here. Please go somewhere else, Ben. Where can I find the others?
Okay, I will keep looking. I will check the living room again.
It is so lucky. I must move to the other side. Crawling like this is very tiring. Yeah! I found you, Marie. Oh no, that is bad luck. I was almost safe.
No way. I knew you were here. I saw you before.
How did you see me? Because I saw your legs crawling. You play so well. Thanks, you. Let's find the next person. I wonder if someone else is found. Should I go out now? No, I should stay here. It is safer in this place.
Where are they hiding? This is very strange.
It is very hot. I am very thirsty. I will drink some water.
The water is cool. I think I know where one person is.
Yes! I found you, Tom. Oh no! Ben found me. That is a good win, Ben. That game is so funny. Lena is the winner now. Let's find Lena and tell her to come out. out now! Lena, you win! Come out now! Lena! Lena, you win! Come out now!
Did someone call my name? Maybe I heard it wrong.
Mom, I want to eat a hamburger.
We cannot find Lena anywhere.
Maybe Lena left our neighborhood to hide.
That is not possible. She cannot run that fast.
What should we do now?
Kids, come home for lunch now.
Ben, try to find Lena again. We need to go home now.
My mom will be mad if I go home late.
Okay, I will keep looking for Lena.
Where is Lena hiding?
I am very hungry now. I will eat first so I have energy.
This movie is very funny. I feel very sleepy now.
Ben, wake up now. Ben, where is Lena? I cannot see her.
Lena? Oh, Lena! Oh no! I forgot to find Lena! What happened, Ben? We played hide and seek. Lena is still hiding somewhere. We must find Lena now!
Lena! Where are you? Lena! Where are you? Lena, please answer us. That sounds like Mom's voice. I am here. Lena! I am hiding in this box.
Oh, Lena. We looked for you everywhere. Why did you not come out?
I fell asleep while hiding.
It is okay. I am happy you are safe.
Mom, I am very hungry.
Come inside. I bought hamburgers for you.
Yeah!
Wow.
I love hamburgers. This is the most fun hide-and-seek game for me.
Yes, it was really fun. Next time, do not hide so well. I was very tired.
Okay, Ben.
Are you very good at hide-and-seek? Where did you hide before? Oh, tell me in the comments. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to see our next game. Bye-bye!